Okay, for a young buck such as most of the world, this is a real easy process. Old man like me takes a little bit more to do it. So why the fuck would I be on the ground when I've got two benches right over there? Because I can't pick up a wheel like this and put it on the bike. So watch and learn something. Hey, you got your little doohickey here with your brake stop. You don't put this right, there goes your brake, there goes your life. How much is your life worth to you? You only got one. Don't be an asshole. Okay, this is why I do it. Put your little axle spacer in right. It's got a little flat spot. Pick it up like so. Yeah. Which is always a bitch because you got to get it just fucking right. Come on, motherfucker. Get in here. Sometimes they pop right in, and sometimes they don't. Now, if you paid attention, I'm using my legs to help pick it up. I can't do that fucking thing on a bench. And that's why it ain't on a bench. Because I can't do it there. Real simple. Work smart. If you can do it on a bench, good for you. You are much bigger and much stronger than I am. Come on. Right on there, little girl. There we go. Now you got the real problem. That was the easy part. How are you going to hold the tire and the axle and the nut with two fucking hands? There's three things you got to hold. You ain't doing it. I'm telling you, you ain't doing it right now. It's you and your friend. But I ain't got me and my friend. I got me. It's just me. Nobody else with me. So I got to put my foot and my leg underneath of it to hold it up like so. Stick my axle spacer in here like this. You follow me? Shabam! Just like that. And I can't do that on that fucking bench. You can do it. I want to see the video. Good for you. I can't do it. So we're just slapping it together real fast because the owner is here to take possession of his motorcycle. So no rear chain adjustment. We made videos about all that. Go back to it and figure it out. But that is why this bike is up in the air, on the ground. I have tried many other ways to do that over decades, 4 fucking decades, and this is the only way I can get it done. And it's so simple. Put your leg under the bench, pick it up, but you got to be on the ground. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.